Hey there, and thanks so much for joining us for this special NHCS TV COVID-19 report. I'm Brandon Shope, and we wanted to continue to keep you updated on all the latest information here at New Hanover County Schools. On Monday, March 23rd, Governor Roy Cooper amended Executive Order 117. Now that extends the public school closures through May 15th. This closure includes all before and after school programs and pre-K programs as well. NHCS continues to follow guidelines outlined by the state of North Carolina, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and NC Division of Public Health as well. Now, we also wanted to let you know that the NHCS Division of Instruction and Academic Accountability is developing a plan for learning continuity, including online resources and print materials for supplemental and new learning in grades K through 12. Career technical education, special education, and early childhood services. Those early childhood services included in that as well. March 24th through March 31st have been designated training and development dates for teachers. April 1st has been designated as a launch date for all courses, with teachers focusing on assessing student access, orientation, and reconnecting with students and families through April 3rd. When it comes to spring break, we've had some questions and concerns about that. For traditional calendars, spring break will remain on April 6th through April 13th. Spring break remains unchanged at this time on other calendars. When it comes to the meal service, the Monday through Friday NHCS meal service program continues to be offered at 14 meal service sites from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and one pre-order pickup site right there at St. Paul's United Methodist Church in Carolina Beach starting at 11:30 a.m. Now, it's important to keep in mind that meals include lunch for that day and breakfast for the following morning as well. Verification of the meals distributed to children 18 years or younger is required, and parents and or guardians may pick up the meals. Beginning Monday, March 30th, NHCS will actually expand the program, this is exciting news here, to 20 school sites and bus delivery to over 50 neighborhood sites. Meals can be pre-ordered up to a week in advance online through an app or by phone. Volunteer organizations assisting in meal delivery will also be able to pre-order bulk meals up to a week in advance. NHCS appreciates the community's supportive response to this program and the numerous volunteer groups, including the Latino Alliance, Nourish NC, and Operation Ring and Run. Those are working to ensure meal services are available throughout New Hanover County. Facilities and building access, we've had some questions about that. NHCS is actually following federal and state guidance on this, federal and state guidance, and limiting in-person meetings and facility use in confined spaces to less than 10 people. Okay, so currently all NHCS schools and administrative buildings will only be open to the public between the hours of 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Exceptions may be made at the discretion of the principal or building manager. And individuals needing to conduct business at an NHCS facility are encouraged to call facilities ahead of time to determine if their concerns can be addressed over the phone. Student instructional packets will continue to be available during this time at all schools, and meal service will continue to be available for pickup at identified sites from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now, keep this in mind as well, because beginning Monday, March 30th, all schools and facilities will be closed to the public except by appointment and the discretion of the principal. Drive-through meal services will continue at designated sites from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Electronic device distribution will begin on Monday, and pickup procedures vary by the school. School principals and staff will be in touch with families with school-specific instructions. When it comes to playground, play structure, and athletic field access, we want to let you know that effective Wednesday, March 25th, all NHCS playgrounds, athletic fields, and play structures are closed to the public to promote social distancing. This includes athletic fields over at Edwin A. Anderson Elementary, and athletic fields and softball and baseball complexes at Eugene Ashley High School. For the high school electronic device pickup, the distribution of electronic devices to high school students for remote instruction will begin on Monday, March 30th. Electronic device pickup procedures vary by the school, and high school principals and staff will be in touch with families with school-based instruction, so keep a check on that. We'll make sure you get updated on that as it becomes available as well. Student assignment. When it comes to that, kindergarten lottery for year-round and magnet schools, wanted to tell you that the letters will be mailed by April 30th, 2020, notifying the parents of these students who have been selected for the initial kindergarten lottery draw at the year-round and magnet schools. Students who are chosen in the lottery must return a form within 5 calendar days to accept this year. The accept decline form will only be accepted by email, fax, or U.S. mail. And the date change for open choice applications and letters to parents. When it comes to that, wanted to make note that the deadline for open choice applications has been changed from April 3rd to April 17th. And open choice applications are available on the NHCS webpage, nhcs.net, under registration forms. Open choice applications may only be emailed, faxed, or sent via U.S. mail by April 17th, 2020. And the email addresses, fax number, and mailing addresses are all listed on the open choice application. NHCS will also, it's important to keep this in mind, we're going to be continuing to keep the Say Something app active and available for our students during this time. We've got more information right now at nhcs.net. We'll continue to keep you updated on all the latest news and information right here with New Hanover County Schools. For now, I'm Brandon Shope for NHCS TV.